Did you know Cambridge is packed with stunning history and culture? This vibrant city in the UK offers unique experiences for everyone. Let's uncover the top 5 timeless, iconic, and unforgettable experiences in Cambridge. First, let's start with the iconic University of Cambridge. It's one of the oldest academic institutions in the world. King's College Chapel is a Gothic marvel in Cambridge, famed for its stained glass and vast fan-vaulted ceiling. Next, visit the Fitzwilliam Museum to discover its world-class art collection. You'll find everything from ancient artifacts to modern masterpieces. After that, explore the lush 40-acre Botanic Garden, brimming with plants from around the world. Strolling the gardens is a soothing way to reconnect with nature. Midway through your journey, enjoy a classic punt along the River Cam, a timeless and unforgettable experience. This traditional boat ride offers a unique view of the colleges, including the renowned mathematical bridge along the way. Wrap up your adventure at the historic Market Square, nestled in Cambridge's charming Old Town. It's a perfect place to enjoy local flavors and shop for souvenirs. To recap, you can explore the historical colleges of the University of Cambridge. Discover world-class art at the Fitzwilliam Museum. Roam the blooming haven of the Botanic Garden. Enjoy punting on the River Cam and shop at the market. Loved exploring Cambridge with us? Like, comment, and subscribe for more travel treasures. Start planning your visit to Cambridge today.